Hello everyone. We will solve a problem on probability. It is from January 2014, number 6. On school days, Fatima goes to school by bus. The probability that it will rain on a school day is 2 by 7. When it rains, the probability that the bus will be late is 1 by 5. And when it does not rain, the probability that the bus will not be late is 5 by 6. 6a, complete the probability tree diagram. So an incomplete tree diagram has been given to us. From the given information, we will try to complete the tree diagram. So probability that on a school day it rains 2 by 7, then probability that on a school day it does not rain will be 5 by 7. How we are getting 5 by 7? We are subtracting 2 by 7 from 1 as the total probability is always 1. So 1 minus 2 by 7 will give us 5 by 7. Then when it rains, the probability that the bus will be late is 1 by 5. It is given. Rains and bus will be late. Probability is 1 by 5. Then when it rains, the bus will not be late. Probability will be 4 by 5. And we are getting 4 by 5 after subtracting 1 by 5 from 1. Then, when it does not rain, the probability that the bus will not be late is 5 by 6. Does not rain and bus not late. Probability is 5 by 6 given. So when it does not rain, the probability that the bus late will be 1 over 6. 1 minus 5 by 6 is giving us 1 by 6. So we have completed the tree diagram. 6a is carrying 3 marks. Then question 6 continued. Calculate the probability that on a school day, it will be raining and the bus will be late. It will be raining and the bus will be late. So students, in probability problems, we need to remember that there is a very important distinction between the words and or. And means that the outcome has to satisfy both conditions at the same time. Okay, so when we will see and in probability problem, and refers to multiplication. So probability that it will rain and the bus will be late, and refers to multiplication. So 6b, probability that raining and bus late. So raining probability of rain is 2 over 7 and bus late is 1 by 5. So 2 by 7 will be multiplied with 1 by 5 and we are getting 2 by 35. Then 6c, probability that the bus will be late. What is the probability that the bus will be late, whether it's raining or it does not rain? So when events are mutually exclusive and we want to know the probability of getting one event or another, then we can use the OR rule. And in probability problem, actually OR refers to addition. Okay, so the bus will be late. Probability that the bus will be late. So two cases may happen, that it's raining and bus late. Probability that it rains and bus late. It can happen, or probability does not rain and Baslet. So probability of it's raining and the baslet. This is 6b. It's raining and the baslet. It is 2/35. 6b. 2/35. It's 2/35. Or will be replaced by addition, and does not rain and baslet. Does not rain is 5/7 and baslet 1/6. So 5/7 will be multiplied with 1/6. So we are having 2/35 plus 5/42. So after simplification, the final answer will be 37/210. So this is the end of question number 6.